this is Norah here, and we are making mini s'more bars. What we have first put in here was a half stick of butter, and we have a couple of mini marshmallows. We have a whole bag of big marshmallows, and we are mixing them. Once the butter is like mostly melted, you may add the marshmallows in, and then you stir until it is wholly melted. Good job, Dad. So that's what we're doing right now.
After it melts?
After it melts, we will add in 6 cups of golden grams. It depends. We might add 8 or 7. So here, you need to make sure yours are light and fluffy. Like this. You don't want to leave them alone by themselves, or else they will burn and they will not be light and fluffy. You need them to be smooth and fluffy. So that's what we're doing right now. And then after you add the golden grams in, you will add some mini chocolate chips in. And then after those are done, you'll let it cool for a minute, because after you put the golden grams in, you don't want it to burn the golden grams. You want it to be cooled before you add other toppings on. So that's what we're doing right now. And my family was going to help with this, but they're not. My mom's recording this, and it's just smooth and fluffy.
Time for the cereal.
We gotta let this cool. Can we turn the cooktop off? So guys, we're back. We have the golden grams in. We mixed the marshmallows and they were light and fluffy. We added the golden grams in once they were cooled, and this is what it looks like. You gotta spread them around because they're really sticky. But my mom is still recording this. We're resuming this, so don't expect this to be a whole video with us doing the whole thing. We're doing like maybe 3 or 2 videos with us cooking these, and it might take a while for you to melt the butter for the first part, but once you're done with that, you'll have the marshmallows, and then you'll add the golden grams. So this is just a resuming part.
Sprinkle the marshmallows.
Then you sprinkle marshmallows, and they have to be mini marshmallows because you don't want them to be big. You want to have a lot of them. So this was the resuming part. We will resume putting the chocolate chips on. So bye. So what's up, guys? We're back, and we have our chocolate chips. You can have a container like this if you have it at home. You may fill it halfway up until it's an inch, maybe whatever, away from the line, but just a little bit away from the line. And you just take a pinch and you sprinkle these on. So this is what it looks like when you are, this is what it's supposed to look like. I decided to make a s'more cake, but we're actually making cookies, like s'more cookies, and it is going great. This is almost the end, and we just gotta let these cool. So that was it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my show. Look out for other episodes.